SEYDEL VOLCANY unboxing. There will be other videos that are tear downs and reviews, and all I can really do with a brand new harp is give you initial impressions. I got it a few minutes ago. I've been looking forward to this harp coming. Here it is. Huh. Okay. Oh. No, it definitely has more weight to it. Orchestra tuned. What is orchestra tuning? Ugh, I'll show you. This is a piece Arta 16. A lot of people think that an orchestra tuned harp is like tuned differently. It's not. It's what you have if you take a 16 holer and you cover those holes and you cover those holes. So it gives you what I call the sweet spot of a 16 holer, which starts not at C3, but it's G3. And it ends at F sharp 6, I believe. So, oh goodness. Wow. Like that. See, it's kind of, it looks like. Oh boy. Well, that's got a little plastic cover on the whole comb. I kind of like that. Oh, it's really a very pretty instrument. Wonderful slide action. This is a short throw slide. I didn't know that. And it is straight tuned, not cross tuned. So you take a straight tuned harp that's short throw slide. What does short throw slide mean? That means it only takes about 5 millimeters to activate the slide, okay? Whereas like this one's 9 or 10. This is going to be a quick playing harp. Very lovely instrument. It appears to be a solid brass. It's a half moon mouthpiece. Now, and that's the shape. I've got to play it. Has a lot of punch. Let's go get a sound system on this. This is a very powerful instrument. Very powerful. It's a little bit more, I would say, present, P-R-E-S-E-N-T, than an ABS. Here's this. Over here. This is my Bulletini with a wireless. This is a very nice chromatic harmonica. I think it's just you want to play piano and goof around with the harp too, why not? We could get the microphone again, and then because it's wireless I can walk around the room, you know, and that's kind of cool. Sorry, I didn't really plan this, you know. I mean, I don't sit and like, you know, oh, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna do this. So I can control with Greg Hoyman's Bulletini. I can, with the volume, I can control what the amp does and not be on it. Like this very much. I would say that sometimes you get into a situation where the edges of the holes are a little bit too sharp. This one's okay. This one's okay. It has a nice feel in the hand. It's not too heavy. It's a very pleasing harp tonally. I think the brass comb, this is the first harmonica I'm aware of that Seydel has manufactured with a brass comb. I was speaking with someone from their firm the other day, and I suggested they make this harp with brass reeds as well, just for fun. But I believe that these covers, I think they're solid brass. I could be wrong about that. Now I can brighten the harp more even just by removing these stanchions and the rubbers too. I could do that. I don't know if I want to. I don't have very many stock harps. I could smooth the edges of the reed plates a little bit. Not that it's a little sharp to my hand, but not much. I'd say initial impressions, you know, nice. The button's acceptable. It's kind of got this rubbery stuff at the back, but I guess it gives you a little bit more grip maybe, but it does have more stiction than just metal wood. So this of course is again our orchestra tuning. It's a great harp. We'll go through a lot more testing and a lot more teardowns and stuff to show you what's on the inside.